Hello and welcome to Coffee Coder. My name is Andrew, and I've worked in IT for almost 3 years now, repairing and recovering client and staff computers from malware and other software issues. Computer viruses and malware are designed to steal, delete, and take advantage of your machine's data. Today I will be showing you the best practices that I have been using to remove and stay virus-free on potentially infected systems. The first thing that you want to do is download Malwarebytes and run an anti-malware scan. Malwarebytes has made a reputable name for itself and is very much trusted within the IT industry. Malwarebytes will remove most common viruses and malware. You can download it easily by going to ninite.com. Check the Malwarebytes program and click on the Get Your Ninite button. Ninite is also a reputable website. All of the programs on this website are always up to date and are very much trusted and safe to download. Once you have downloaded the Ninite installer, install Malwarebytes. Open the application up and navigate to the Settings tab on the left, then the Protection tab at the top. Under Scan Options, make sure you enable Scan for rootkits. Once this is done, scroll down further to disable Malwarebytes from running on startup under Startup Options. Now click on the Scan tab on the left and then the Start Scan button to scan your computer for potential threats. This could take some time, so I'll speed through this part. You're going to want to quarantine any threats you find and keep repeating the scan until there are no threats. The second thing you need to do is make sure your operating system is up to date. Oftentimes, common bugs, performance issues, and even system vulnerabilities could be easily patched by a Windows update. That is why it is so important to keep your computer up to date. To do this, open your search bar and type Update. Click on Check for Updates, or go to the Windows settings by clicking the key command Windows I, then navigate to Update and Security, and finally click the Check for Updates button. Keep checking for updates until your computer says that it is all up to date. The third thing you need to do is uninstall any suspicious or unwanted software in your program manager, as well as disable apps that have no business starting on Startup in Task Manager. Be sure to look up the program online if you are unsure of what it is, because it could be vital to your machine running. To do this, open your search bar and type in Control. Then click on Control Panel, or click the Windows key command Windows R and type Control. Once Control Panel is open, under Programs, click Uninstall a Program. Here, you will be able to view all the programs that are installed on your Windows computer. If you see anything that has the name Toolbar in it, it is likely adware and you should uninstall it. However, for your sake, please look up the program online before uninstalling it, because you do not want to uninstall anything you are not 100% sure of. Once you are done checking all your programs, you can close Control Panel and open up Task Manager by typing in Task in the search bar and clicking on Task Manager, or with the key command Control-Shift-Escape. Once here, navigate to the Startup tab and disable all applications from running on Startup unless it is something you need to run on Startup. The fourth thing you need to be wary about is browser plugins. Make sure you only install plugins you trust and remove ones that you do not. You should also install an ad blocker like uBlock Origin, because most malware and viruses are downloaded by users because they accidentally click on an ad. Further, you should get the add-on HTTPS Everywhere to force websites to use HTTPS and avoid the unsecure HTTP. The S stands for secure for a reason. HTTPS protects the privacy and security of you and the websites you visit. To do this on Chrome, click on the three-dot icon on the top right, then hover over More Tools and select Extensions. Here, you can see all the extensions you have installed and add new ones by clicking on the Chrome Web Store. Once here, you will want to search for and add uBlock Origin and HTTPS Everywhere. Similarly, on Firefox, you can manage your extensions by clicking on the 3-row icon on the top right and clicking on Add-ons. The fifth thing you should do is make sure to back up your important data on a flash drive or an external hard drive. You never know when your machine might stop working from hardware or software failure, and it's better to be safe than sorry. And finally, having an antivirus software is important for protecting yourself from potential malware. You should only use one antivirus software, as having more than one could cause a lot of issues. For our purposes, Windows Defender is a great antivirus software that you should enable if you don't already use another. That is all for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Anyways, have a wonderful day, night, or whenever you're watching this.